Grammarly. What is it and what does it do? Grammarly is a writing assistant to be used when writing. It is free but also has a premium version available. It checks for spelling errors, grammar, checks for tone of a message in emails, for example, style, punctuation, and also provides vocabulary suggestions. Grammarly works on a variety of different devices and with different programs. It works through Chrome as an extension, or you can add it directly to the desktop. On iPads and iPhones, you can add it as an additional keyboard. Programs that it works with are Google Docs, email, social media, and many more, which you can see below. When using it on a computer, you may add it as an extension through Google Chrome. You may also download it onto the computer as an application to be used with Microsoft Word or other programs. This video will show you how to go about downloading it. When you are installing Grammarly onto the computer, there are a couple different ways that you can do it. You can add it to the Chrome browser. That way it can be used with Google Docs easily. You can also go to the apps and you can add it directly as an installment onto the computer. But what we're going to do today is we're going to add it to Google Chrome. We're going to go ahead and then add extension. You might get a bar up here that says this feature has been disabled. Enable it. Make sure you click enable so that it actually works. Okay, so this is telling us we're all ready to go. So let's go and find a document. And what it's going to do is once it's enabled and you've newly enabled it and installed it, once you open up a Google Doc, it's going to tell you and ask you, do you want to install? You need to make sure you enable it within Google Docs. Then what it will do is down here at the bottom, it will show you that it has some feedback. So if you see there's a little number 2. The number 2 says that I have 2 errors in here. And so what it does, it says that everything is underlined in red, needs to be fixed. So if I go over to my paper and hover over it, it will tell me what it is. So it says remove the article. Well, it's not really an article because it's just how it's laid out with the formatting. So I'm going to click ignore. And then here, it's saying, look at the questions prior to interview. Well, this is saying add the article, so add the interview. So what's nice about this is it can be used in something that you've already typed, so students can go back and activate it and see what they've made errors on, or you can have it activated while you're actually typing. So it's easy to use because you just hover over the error and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. For the iPad, Grammarly provides a keyboard that can be installed through the iPad or phone. In order to fully use it, though, you need to make sure you activate it through the keyboard. You cannot use it with an attached keyboard or external keyboard, so students can't use it with their case keyboard that they have with their iPad. It can only be used within the built-in keyboard through the iPad or device. Once you have Grammarly installed onto the iPad, you're going to go ahead and open it up. It says get started. So continue on with Google by signing in. You're going to put your information or the student's information, whichever is easiest. Once you're all signed in, it's going to tell you have one more thing to do, which is allow full access. So it's telling you right here exactly what you need to do. So we need to go to settings. And we're going to scroll down to Grammarly. And then we're going to click on keyboards. And Grammarly is going to be activated, but then you also need to say allow full access and then allow. Once that is done, you go into any writing form that you want. And you need to activate the actual keyboard. So right now you're going to have this one pop up. You need to click the little world to where the Grammarly keyboard will pop up. And that's it.
Once you have set everything up, you're ready to go and start using it. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this program, and I hope you and your students find it useful.